Another great thing with this system is if we go to iTunes, see at the bottom there, Ford Audio, there's a tick next to it. So whatever I play on my phone now on audio, so long as you're on the media section here, it will play through the speakers in the car. So I'll just turn that down. We'll go back, click play, and then you've got CD aux here. If I click CD aux, you've got a choice of line in or Bluetooth. So if I click Bluetooth, it's now playing over here. Just turn it up, and I'll control the sound level from my phone.
He was telling everyone in town.
There you go. So that's how you stream audio. Thanks for watching.